Hello, and welcome to this Workforce ID Quick Start video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add temporary badges to employees. To get started, first we need to make sure that temporary badges are enabled in Workforce ID. Navigate to the Settings area of Workforce ID and choose Visitor Manager on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the very bottom of the screen, and you should see an option to allow temporary card issuance to employees. Make sure that that is checked, and if it isn't, you'll need to check it and then save the settings. Supposing that it is checked, we can go directly to the Visitors area of Workforce ID and click on Check In. And you'll notice at the top of the screen there's an option to issue a temporary ID. Click on that, and then choose the employee who you are going to be issuing the temporary ID to. Click Add, and then Close, and then fill in any information that's required. Once everything has been filled in, you should be able to go ahead and click Check In, and the temporary badge should be issued to the employee. And that's all that you should need to know in order to get started with issuing temporary badges to your employees in Workforce ID.